Welcome to the Show, Rohan. So today we are not the one who would be making the jokes. No, neither would it be a stand-up comedian because they normally get arrested. So welcome the one who makes the jokes on the common man, the politician with the thick skin and the spokesperson from the central government. Show, Rohan. Thank you, sir, for your time. We have some questions given by the common man. So let's start with the first question.
See, we already know the answer. The question is irrelevant.
But sir, I still need to ask the question.
See, based on the answer, we set the question. Because the question depends what's going to be the answer. And when we have to decide the answer, where does the question arise? To ask a question?
Sir, I'm all confused.
That's what we want the common man to be in this pandemic. Completely confused. Okay, so your question would be, during this pandemic, what has the government done for the common man, right?
Wow, brilliant. Actually, yeah. So for the common man during this pandemic, are you announcing any income tax or tax reduction?
See, these are all short-term efforts. Look at the bigger picture, the more bigger picture.
Oh, so planning a bigger relief for the common man. Wow.
No. Bigger picture in a hoarding of a political rally or in a print ad of a PR campaign. And don't forget, for the benefit of the common man, during this pandemic, we even increased the fuel prices.
So because of the fuel price increase, even you don't travel, right?
No, I do. Because my business class travel is paid by the common man's taxes. Hello? हाँ गोवा का टिकट बुक कर लो फुल फैमिली के साथ.
Okay, so let's move to the next question. So why have you allowed the IPL to happen when the common man is being fined for not wearing mask?
See, this is not correct. In the past, when Pakistan did a terrorist attack on India, this same opposition used to say that cricket with Pakistan shouldn't stop. Cricket should go on. Did they not say that?
Sir, this is COVID, that is Pakistan. I understand one is a pain in the throat and the other is a pain in the ass. But what's the connection?
Yes. So this time we have decided to listen to our opposition and henceforth this COVID-19 is our enemy.
Oh, okay. So what's your action?
Yeah. So to give a befitting reply to our enemy, we have decided to play cricket like the IPL.
So that's your reply to COVID?
Yes, and not only that, we will be changing the name of the IPL to Indian Pandemic Lynching. You watch, we will lynch COVID-19 out of this country.
Okay, let's move to the next question. So why did you allow the Kumbh Mela when COVID-19 is spreading like wildfire?
It's because in this pandemic also, we are thinking of the environment.
How environment?
See, 28 lakhs of people taking bath together in the Kumbh Mela. Imagine how many liters of water have we saved for the environment.
So I'm wasting water by taking bath at home?
Yes, because it's better to take bath together. Because by doing this, COVID doesn't spread. Only love for the vote bank.
So the last question. There is a huge shortage of oxygen. So why did you not plan it in advance?
That's not true. States where we are in power, oxygen is in abundance.
So then why politics now, sir?
See, there is no politics. When our ruling states can give free pollution, we can even give oxygen.
So then please do something.
Our leader has given free oxygen in the air for the people. The problem is that the common man is not breathing properly. And to solve this, we will invite foreign companies to make oxygen in India for the common man. And you know what it will be called? It will be called Breathe in India.
If you are a common man and if you feel these politicians have made our life miserable to breathe and live in this pandemic, then please share this video and subscribe to this channel.
Hello, गोवा का टिकट बुक हो गया?
Rosho Rohan.